I hope it got connected. Alright, I'm not even sure what's wrong with the network today. I mean, it's getting disconnected over and over. But okay, never mind. Let's keep it here and let's continue. Okay, so this was it that I had, and what the hell? This is fine, but what about this? The top level div that I have over here. Reset your password. Width full. Excel. And not only that, it will have some padding as well. So it will have px6. Turns out that first of all it will have px. What px? Not really. Then I have this div, then this div, this item center. Flex column, and this is there. Px is gonna be 6. It increases. Alrighty, that means I have to bring it in the middle. Let's get rid of this. This much is fine. Width is gonna be full, and then it will be this long. In that case, width is gonna be Excel. VG at 300. It is this part. I need another div that needs to be in the in between, and then the next div has some padding. Alrighty, so what I actually need to do over here, that is I need to have another div altogether. Control X. I need to have a div like this. And after that, first of all, let's remove this color that I have over here, or let's have it for the reference right now. The new div that I got last time, width is gonna be Excel, padding is gonna be padding X is gonna be 5 or 6 maybe. So this is how it looks like. If I reload the page, I mean make it bigger, it will still be the same, and if I make it smaller, it will be like this, and that's what I wanted. Let's get rid of this part. Okay, This section is done. The next thing is that once this is done, I will enter my email and all. I will send an email. By the way, this is quite small. Same way I have them here. Okay, not a problem for now. I will change it later. Reset password. Okay. Value is gonna be email, and on change is gonna be like this. I will be changing it later. Email event dot, I don't even have the event, so I'll get event from here. Event dot target dot value. So this is the thing that I'm doing over here. Once I have my email, after that I will be just making a request over here. Question: where do I need to send the request? Postman. Whenever I'm changing my password, forgot password, I have to send this particular email from there. Okay, then I need one more page, or I can redirect it to the login page, or I would say that your email has been changed successfully. Yeah, it will be great. So ultimately this is the route, forgot password route. Let's make a request to this particular route and then get the things done. Post request, that's gonna be so response is equal to await. For this thing I have to make it async await axios dot post request on this particular backend URL. This much. Okay, what is the next thing? I just need to give my body, right? Okay, what is the body? That's the email, just the email. So that's gonna be the email part. Anything else that I need to send? Yeah, headers. Headers are gonna be content type. That's gonna be application JSON. That is it. This should be it, and I'm done with this. Once I've done that, then I will be getting my response. So if response dot data dot response dot data dot success. If that is true, then do something. If that is false, then do something. Not only that, if there is an error, then do something. By the way, if that is true, then toast dot success, and it will be response dot data dot message, and if there is any failure, in that case toast dot error, and that will be response dot data dot message. As simple as that. So this thing is done, and if there is any error, so toast dot error, and even I'll have to check whether that is an error or not, like that is the error of access type or not. Error instance of error, in that case error dot message, otherwise stringify the error. As simple as that. And even before that, I will be checking something. If error axios dot is axios error, I will be giving it the error itself, and error dot response that exists, toast dot error dot response dot data dot message. As simple as that. This is something that I will be sending. I will be returning from here directly, and nothing else. I don't really need to worry about anything else as such. When it is successful, what do I have to do? I have to just redirect it, navigate it to the login page. This message is navigation. Let's see. Any email, new@gmail.com. If email is registered, you will receive an email reset link shortly. That's great, and that's what I wanted. And then I'll have to create a page for resetting the email. That's right. I mean, that's not done yet. So much work. Never mind. This is fine. Let's give it a right email. Right email in the sense, let's give it a vipinsinghpatel999@gmail.com. Let's forgot password first of all. VIPENDRA SINGHPATEL999@gmail.com. And not only this, if it is registered, then only I will get an email. So directly I will not get the email. I'll have to register it. Yeah, I didn't get the email. What can I do? I can register it. Let's sign up with that email. Let's sign up. Depending. This is the email. Password is gonna be password 1234 and password 1234. Sign up. User registered successfully. Please check your email to verify the account. Dhanyavad. Let's check that. Okay, here I got this. This is the link for verifying my email, and I can click on this to verify. I don't even have this page यार. कितना काम बाकी है on this website. Never mind. By the way, let's click on forgot password. Let's enter the ID. Email ID vipendra-singh-patel999@gmail.com. Send the email. Sending email. And now email to reset password has been sent successfully. Email to reset password has been sent successfully. Okay, great. So check the email. Here is the new email that I have got. Thank you for responding and all whatever. This is the email link. If I click on this, localhost forgot password. Its name should be reset password this time. ये name गलत है. Come on, I have to change that. First of all, reload the page and check everything's right or wrong, because I cannot believe in my network right now that I have. I'm thirsty too. I better go and get some water. Never mind. Okay, so let me turn the chats on. They are gonna be on. At least I can do that. Chats. Live chat is going to be on. Okay, what is the next thing that I have to do? Next thing is that I have this forgot password page. Okay, I have this forgot password page. Then I need to create a reset password page as well. So let's create another page, and that's gonna be another route like this, and that's gonna be path is going to be reset password page. Of course, that's gonna be page for resetting the password. Over there I will be just entering my password and all, and once this thing is done, even I will be checking my token. Only then I will be able to get these things done over there. And not only that, I need a element. Element is gonna be a reset password, something like this. I need to create this particular page too. So let's go to the pages, and inside this particular page I will be creating a reset password.tsx RAFCE, something like this. I have that page right now, but there is one problem. What is that problem? The problem is pretty simple, that the email that I'm getting that itself is wrong. What am I getting in my email? Just a sec. I'm thirsty. Let's go and get some water. I'm gonna be taking a break for a minute or two and going to get some water. As soon as I'm done with that, I will be coming back and I'll continue from here on. Actually, I'm thirsty, so I'd better just get the water. I'll be back soon.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear.
Alrighty, let's continue. And got some water for myself too. Ultimately, let's get this functionality done. First of all, whenever I send any request, what am I getting here? the link name is forgot password in the hash, and what it should be reset password, because that is the link for the resetting the password. So let's do it. Let's go to the backend, and inside backend I attach in some things, controllers, and user forgot password, this is the one, and at the end I must be sending the link from here. Sanitize the data. Email to reset password has been sent successfully. That's great, thank you. This is the data that I got. The email, where is the email? Send forgot password email. This is the token that I have. This is the email that I have. Let's go here. Inside here, forgot password URL is something that I'm creating with the help of the front-end base URL. That's okay, but this should be reset password right now. That's what I just wanted to do. That's it. So reset password, let's start the backend. Write again and try down. One step backward, over here, login page. I'm not gonna get that. Why am I not getting that? Home page. I'm not getting that either. A reference reset password is not defined. Okay, sorry. First of all, forgot password should be removed from them. So even I want to show it conditionally, so I can go to my components. Inside that I have auth form, and when it comes to that auth form, so this particular thing, if not is a signing up, in that case I have to render this particular part, as simple as that. That means if I'm signed up page, that will not be visible. Let's go to the home page. This is the 100. If I click on login, ultimately forgot password is visible. If I click on sign up, that is not visible. Let's click on login, that is visible right now. And after that I can just simply enter the things and all, and I'll be done. I can click on forgot password, and I got a page for reset my password, send email, and that's it. Let me enter my email name, Dipendra Singh Patel 999@gmail.com, something like this. Let's send the email, sending the email, and I'm simply getting email to reset form has been sent successfully, as simple as that. And then I can just simply change the email and then log in from here, as simple as that. So let's do one thing. Let's go and check my email. Over here I got an email, and the email is this, that this time I'm getting reset password. So ultimately I need to create a reset password page as well. And if I go here, I'm not getting any result as such, so I need to create the page. Okay, so in order to create the page, this is the page that I have, reset password /hash. This is the page that I want. Now if I have a look at that, I'm getting the result over here. That's great. Not only that, when it is actually a reset password, so most of the things are gonna be copied and pasted. So I can go to my forgot password thing, and all the page that I have over here, return thing, I will be copying. Come on here. I'll copy it all, and inside reset password I will return it all. Okay, as usual I will get many errors. First one is going to be, because I'm resetting the password, so is loading is definitely going to be there. So const is loading, set is loading, and that's gonna be used state. By default that's gonna be false. That is why it's better to use a React query and all. Then I will even submit it, that's right. So const handle submit, it's just gonna be like this. So this is also done. As for the email and these things, I will be removing it. I will have new password and I will have confirm password. So let's have two use states over here. Const passwords set passwords, just like that, and use state. What I have inside this. First one is going to be new password, that's gonna be a string, and second one is gonna be confirm password, that's actually going to be a string too. This is how I will simply be going on, and after that the value is gonna be passwords dot new password over here. I will be setting, but handle change, I will actually create a function for it, just like this. Handle password change, control C, and let's keep it here. Const, paste it here, and this is how it's gonna be looking like. Done. Okay, and input style, turns out I don't have that over here, so let's go to the auth form, copy this input style from here and paste it here. At the end, doesn't matter. What is the next thing that I need to do? Nice. And I have one input. I actually need two inputs over here, just like this. And first one is gonna, again, inputs are gonna be for passwords. So type is gonna be password, and the first one is gonna be enter your new password. Not even like that. New password, and then over here confirm password. This is done. Input style already attached, and then I have this navigate. I have to have it navigate over here. So const navigate is going to be equal to use navigate, and then this navigation thing is working. As soon as I cancel it, I will be navigated to the navigation part. That's okay. Sorry, to the login page. That's fine. And the second thing is that I have this submit button over here, and this will mainly say that it is resetting the password, resetting, and reset password. Again, this is gonna be the page for that. So let's do one thing. The forgot password that I had over here, this particular section, the title name is gonna be forgot password over here. Forgot password. That's the page of that particular forgot password. And once that thing is done, then whenever I'll be resetting it, I'll be actually making it reset password. So over here, reset password, and it will, the title is going to be reset your password, and I will have two inputs. I'll have this button. That is it. Let's even check how it looks like. So I can go here, and this time I can just read, okay, here I already have that. I will enter new password, I will confirm the password, and I can just simply reset the password. I can cancel it, I'll be redirected to the login page, right? And reset password. What was the email? Reset password plus the token, like any token, 1, 2, 3. Then I'm redirected here. That's great. But the thing is that yes, you can come here, but if I'm actually logging, I should not be able to log in. One email, password 1, 2, 3, 4, login. And right now try to go to that reset page, /reset password /1, 2, 3. I cannot visit. I can visit that. If I go to login page right now, I cannot. Okay, turns out that I will have to redirect if I'm already logged in. Not a problem, that can easily be done. And that can be done in the sense, and one more thing, not only that, /forgot password, I actually have that too. So these two things need to be protected as per the situation. So let's go to app, let's go to the auth page over here, and this is something that I need to have. Auth context is loading. Loading is not really needed, or is it needed? Auth will give me is loading, and this is the auth page itself. Auth page in the sense I have the buttons and all, and once I'm loading I'll show it, right? But not really needed, I will not use that, just this much is something that I need. And let's go to the forgot password page and paste it here at the top in the sense exactly at the top. Maybe somewhere here. Okay, first thing is that I don't need this. Second thing is that I need navigate over here, and the next thing is that I need to keep it at the top, and one more thing is that I need to keep it just exactly there, just like this. Choose auth context. Okay, it's called conditionally, so let's use it here. Copy it all and paste it inside reset password. Use navigate is here. Let's move it at the top, just like this, and now it should be fine. I can check it whether I'm able to access them or not. So if I'm logged in right now, right? Yeah, I'm logged in. If I go to my reset page, can I see? Visit that reset password /1, 2, 3. Turns out I cannot. If I try to go to forgot password page, forgot password page, I cannot visit them. But if I log out, and now if I try to visit them, /forgot password, now I can visit them. I can just simply enter my email and all, and I can just simply reset the password. Okay, let's cancel it. Email is required, I know. What the hell? by the one more thing, this forgot password thing that I have over here, this type, the button type should be not submit, the button type should be just button. I think this is right, yeah. So this button is just simply going to be a button. So even if I go to my forgot password page here, reload the page first of all, if I click on cancel, I will not get anything. But if I go there again, if I click on send email, of course I will get email is required. Okay, same thing needs to be done in the reset page as well. So the reset password page that I have, inside that the type of this button is going to be just a button. So this much is done, and the another thing is that I have to send the request for resetting the password. So passwords, I'll have to handle the change as well. So I will get the event over here, and once I got the event, event is gonna be form event. It will be on HTML form element, HTML form element, and after that I'll get my name. So I'll get name and the value from here, and that will be from event dot target. Again, if I want to get the name, they should have the name as well. For the name, I can give them the name. So type is password, name is gonna be new password, new password. This is the name for it. Same over here, name is gonna be confirm password, as simple as that. What is the issue? Expected customer property on change which is declared on the type. Okay, sorry, that is the on change type, not the this is the change event, and come on, yeah, this is change event, and this is on HTML input element. Is this okay now? Let's try it. Yeah, I'm not getting the error over there. And once I got this, so what will I be doing? Set passwords. Then I will be getting my previous passwords. Once I got my previous passwords, then I have to return an object that will contain all the previous passwords. And not like that, even like this. I will return an object with the previous passwords, and I will overwrite one of the passwords. That's gonna be the name, and the value is gonna be here. So I will be overwriting that particular password that has that particular name. It's simple. I mean, easy to understand thing. Okay, so once I got this thing done, then I have this is loading thing over here. So what I want that over here, when I start handling it, first of all, event type is going to be over here form event, because of course that is the submit event that will be triggered, and it will be on HTML form element. Then event dot prevent the default. Can I do one thing? Can I actually use submit event over here? Submit event. How about if I remove it from here? And turns out, yes, I can use that. I mean, I can directly use the submit event. Well, I can't. One more thing, this is the form. What is the problem? Type event void is not assignable to form an event handler submit event in incompatible. Form event HTML is missing the following properties. Form type submit event. Okay, so it needs to be this particular type anyhow. Okay, just was checking something new, but that failed. This is fine. Okay, once I have it, then I have a try catch block over here, and I have a finally block too. And not only that, when I'm trying, before even trying, I'll set a loading is gonna be true, and at the end I will set loading is going to be false. Set loading, that's gonna be false. And inside these two things I will be doing something or the other, so let's comment the things for now. Okay, so things are gonna be looking like this. Okay, one thing, when it is actually loading, at that time I have to say that resetting and then reset password. That's fine. Let's continue from here on. And if there is any error, so I will go to forgot password page, because I already have this particular code, so why not copy and paste the things over here. So inside the error, this is how I'm handling the error. Control C and Control V, because right now I don't need to write it. I have written the same code many times. Earlier I was rewriting it because I needed to learn. Right now I know how things work, so I can continue just by copying and pasting. Same thing I can do over here. I will be using XCS only. And let's paste it here, or let's use what fetch over here. I used access over there, I'm gonna be using fetch over here. Again, this is gonna be not a problematic thing. I mean, it's gonna be easy. So I will not be using what access, rather I will be using fetch, backend URL, email. I need to provide headers. Email. What is the problem here? Just a minute. It's simple. Await, fetch, first of all URL, backend URL, and then the path is going to be what? This is the path. This is not the right path, but okay, I will correct it. API/v1 users, and this should be reset password, because of course I will be resetting the password. Let's go to the postman, check it properly. Okay, when working with this, I have to send the reset password and I have to send the token, the hash that I get. That's fine, I will be sending that too. But before that I need to get it, right? So how will I get the params? There is something called use params, a hookup of course. So let's even get it. So over here at the top, maybe somewhere here, const params is gonna be use params, and once I have my params, I should be getting that. Yeah, this should be fine. Let's even check it, like before even getting anything else done. CLG, am I getting the params or not? Params, did you mean params? What is the name? Okay. Params. Hi, good afternoon. Wow, it's 12. I didn't even know that it is 12 o'clock right now. But yeah, good afternoon to you. Jai Bhardwaj. And I first of all, I'm already logged out, and let's go to the reset page. And I have to go to the reset page. Reset, I have to enter the hash password, anything sh123. And am I getting the hash password? Yes, I am getting, but that is the hash password in the form of a token object. So I need to get that particular object. That's fine. That means this is fine, but over here, instead of getting it directly, I will be getting my hash from there, just like this. So once I got my hash, I can just use it, as simple as that. So over here, what I will say, that the hash that I am getting, I have to send that particular hash as well. Okay, so this thing is done. What is the next thing? Next thing is the body. I don't need to send the body. Having said that, if I want to send the body, so I will have to send the body like this, rather like this, and then there needs to be an object inside that. Mainly because of that thing, I think I was getting the error. Never mind. And even I have to stringify the JSON data when working with fetch. One more thing, that's gonna be credentials, not needed, but method is needed. Method is definitely going to be get. What is the method type over here? Method type is post. Am I sending something? Yeah, I'm sending my new password and confirm password. How can I even forget that? Okay, nice. So this thing is done. Then the next thing is gonna be the body. That first of all, let's give it the method. Method is gonna be what? Method is going to be post. Second thing is that headers. Headers is gonna be content type, and that's going to be application/JSON. And not only that, I have to give it the body, and body is going to be what? Body is gonna be these passwords that I have over here. But okay, so let's give it a the passwords, but before even that I have to stringify the password. With the JSON you will have to do that. Sorry, when you are working with a fetch API, so you have to just get this thing done too. And this should be it. I don't really need to worry about anything else. One thing I will be checking that whenever I'm trying to submit, if not passwords dot new passwords or not passwords dot confirm password, if any one of them is missing, in that case I have to return from here, and I have to say toast dot error all FIEL fields are required. First of all this thing, then second thing is that I have to even check whether they are equal or not. This is again thing. If passwords dot new password if not equals to or triple equals to passwords dot confirm password, I'll say that toast dot error, and that's gonna be passwords do not match. At least I will be getting this much thing done. I will be returning it from here. Return in the sense I will be even resetting the form. And resetting the form means setting use state to this. First of all, if passwords the value do not exist, then I don't have to reset it, right? Yeah, because the value does not exist. But if they are wrong, then I have to reset it. Not like that. Set passwords are gonna be just empty. They will have empty values. As simple as that. So this thing is done. This thing is done. Then I'm setting to true and sending the request. Once I send the request, I will get my result. Const. Again, I will have to await the response. So await response that I got, response.json. With the fetch, you have to do that. In Access, you don't need to do it. It handles everything. But if you are using fetch API, I hope this is called an API. So if you are using this way, you will have to await it. Once I got my result, so let's replace everything from here. If result.success, then I will do this much. Then result.message as well. And if that's false, then result.message. Again, for everything I will be getting message from the database backend itself, so I don't need to worry about that. In this case, I don't need to worry about this particular Axios either, because of course I'm not using Axios. I can go with this much only, finally block, and done. If it succeeds, right, if a reset password succeeds, so I have to send a message and then I have to navigate it to the login page. Is this fine? I think so. There's nothing else to change over here. Let's try it. Let's see whether it works or not, and then I'll take care of other things. Okay, let's try it. So here, okay, I'm on my home page, and right now, let's log in with this particular email, and that's gonna be password 123 login. Wrong password, sorry. That's password 1234. Okay, I've logged in, and if I want over here, I can just simply change the password from my profile itself. So I can click on my profile. I'll have to enter the old password. So the old password is gonna be password 123, and the new password is gonna be password 1234, and I can just simply click on change password. Invalid current password. Okay, old password. Old password in the sense current password. This name is not good, but never mind, let's continue. Password 1234, then PAWS password 123, change password. User password changed successfully, that's great. And I can just simply log out from here as well, and once I'm logged out, I will have to enter the new password now in order to log in. password. Now 123 only, and I'm able to log in. Let's log out. Suppose I forgot my password, then I will click on login. Then I will click on this forgot password mentioned just below here, and I'm here on this particular page, forgot password page. But I just blink type something. Okay, this particular thing, if I'm moving from one page to the other page, right, it does not happen in this case. But if I click on login, if I click on password, okay, now it does not happen, never mind. That is mainly because I'm using two things, like dark mode and light mode. By default I have to set it to the dark mode so that I don't get those reflections, but okay. Let's enter the password, email, because I have to forgot, like reset the password. So email is gonna be Vipendra Singh Patel 999@gmail.com. Let's click on send email. Sending the email. Wait. Email to reset password has been sent successfully. Okay, now I have to go to email has been sent successfully, right? Let's go to my email. Over here I got my email over, and it is simply saying that forgot password email. Thank you for requesting to reset password email. Reset your password. Please use the following link. Either I can click on this or I can click on this. Any one of them will work. Let's click here, and this is the new page that I've got. Over here I can just enter my new password and confirm password. New password is going to be what the hell? अरे यार इतना खराब, सॉरी, कुछ तो गड़बड़ मैंने किया. पासवर्ड डॉट न्यू पासवर्ड, पासवर्ड डॉट कन्फर्म पासवर्ड, मिस्टर कन्फर्म पासवर्ड. ठीक है, अब दोबारा चलते हैं उधर. हाँ, तो लेट्स रिलोड द पेज. हाँ, तो ओवर हियर password, first of all new password is gonna be password 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, till 5, and confirm password anything, just try it. Reset password, it is saying that passwords do not match. That's great. So in that case, and if I just enter this, and if I just simply click, all fields are required. That again, that's amazing, that's working too. Now I have to enter the right password. So passwords, not passwords, PASS, come on, PASSWORD 1 2 3 4 5. This is the password, PASSWORD 1 2 3 4 5. Let's reset the password. Resetting, and the password reset successfully, and I'm redirected to the login page. Just a minute, just a sec. Alrighty, by the way, let's continue from here on. So password, I have reset the password. So if I try to enter my old password right now, so this was the mail that I had. If I try to enter my old password means password word 1 2 3 only. I will, wow, is it great? Thank you. At least now all the functionalities, they are coming together, and now it is looking like a project. Initially it was nothing. I can click on my email, and let's enter the right password. Password 1 2 3 4 5. Login. I'm able to log in. Now, not only that, the good thing of this project is that you can click on get started. One problem. Why am I not getting my content? Interesting. Okay, let's see what is the problem. Network, reload the page. Share model, content request is going. Okay, content fetched successfully. कहाँ चले गए मतलब नहीं समझा, कहाँ चले गए. कंटेंट फेज सक्सेसफुली, यहाँ पर अच्छा कंटेंट 0 आ रहे हैं. ओ सॉरी, इसमें तो कंटेंट ही नहीं है. इस पर्टिकुलर जो यूज़र मैंने बनाया है, इसके अंदर कंटेंट ही नहीं है. मुझे कंटेंट क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा. तो एक कंटेंट तो क्रिएट ही कर देते हैं. एक काम करते हैं, लेट्स गो टू यूट्यूब राइट नाउ, और इस मैसेज को भी शो करना पड़ेगा. दैट्स ओके. एंड एनीथिंग आई एम गोना बी यूजिंग माय ओन वीडियो. I don't wanna get any copyrights related stuff. But which one? चलो इंग्लिश सीख लो आज. What else? Let's copy the link from here, Control C, day 69. Okay, so over here, title is gonna be day 69 learn English. Okay, link is gonna be this one, type is gonna be YouTube, enter day 69 English learning, let's learn, whatever, you can just enter as many text as you want. It is just like YouTube provides us. Click on add, and here I got that video. And now you can just even you can just refresh the page, like check the things, like other I don't have any other articles, I don't have articles. YouTube, I do have a YouTube video. Do I have any Twitter video? No, I don't have any Twitter video. So this is how it looks like. I can go to the home page, and let's go to another user. You can click on your profile and you will be seeing your name and email. I like this particular thing. I don't know why. I mean, it could be bad or something, but the hover effect is amazing here. I love it. Having said that, let's close this. Even you can change the themes. So this is the light theme, and now you can go from one page to another page, and this is exactly looking like that. I mean, it will work exactly the same. It's just that it has the light mode. Dark mode I prefer the most, because at least it's comfortable to my eyes. But yeah, I have even given it this functionality too. Let's log out from here, and this time I will be logging in with another ID. That was one password 123. I think this was wrong password. So password 1234, and here I have many things. Here I have many posts, and when you have these posts, you can even first of all is selected by default. You can click on only YouTube. You will be getting the content related to YouTube only. You can click on Twitter. These are the contents related to Twitter. And not only that, suppose you want to share it with somebody, and that thing can be shared as well. You have to just click on this share. You are getting this link. This is the link. You can copy this link, share it with somebody, and you are done. By the way, let me delete the link. Once the link is deleted, that's gone. Let's create the link again. Create share link. And if I click on this, a link has been created. Now if I go to my another browser in the sense Edge, because on Chrome I'm already logged in. So this is the new browser. Let's paste the link over here and enter. And guess what? I'm getting all those things. I'm not logged in. You cannot see any logout button, anything. I just have only change theme button over here. I have my home page, and that's it. I have these filters. I'm getting all these contents just because of the link that I have. If I change anything in the link, like if I have 4 over here, if I make it 3, I will not get anything. It is simply saying that link does not exist. That means you need to have the right link. So once I upload it, like once I have deployed this website, I will share the link, and you will be able to see the content that I have in my second brain, whatever. So let's make it 4 again, and if the link is right, I'm getting the right things. As simple as that. I like this feature. You can just change the theme only. You are not logged in. If you want to log in, then of course you will have to create your own account. So you can just click on the Brainly application here. You can log in right now. But earlier I was not logged in. I was directly getting it here. So this thing is done. And one more thing, if I delete the link from my side, suppose I deleted the link. If I go here, I don't have any link right now. Right now, if I go to that edge, if I reload the page, it is saying that link does not exist, because I have deleted the link from my own side, from my own profile. This was the profile that I had, my account. From that account, I deleted the link, so I don't have that. If I create the link, now I have a new link. If I reload the page, I will still not get anything over here. I will have to use that new link to get the content. So if I click on this, enter it, and now I'm getting the content. So it's up to you. If you share the link with somebody, you can delete that. And not only that, I can add one more feature, that you can create as many links as you want while creating the link. This is the one, right? So you can create a link like a YouTube link, a link you are using on YouTube, and then you can keep deleting that over and over. This is also possible. I may add this functionality. Why not? That not only one link, you can create many links, and you can give title to those links, like this is for YouTube, this is for WhatsApp, this is for my friend and all, and then you can keep deleting them whenever you want. This is also a good feature. I will add it. But I want over here that this is the new to do for me. Let's click go to app. These are the to-dos I already have. Forward password, this functionality is added. That's great. Content and all this. These are the to-dos that I have. Then the next thing is that enable multiple share link creation with proper label. So okay, they will have the labels too, like you will be able to label them. You will not only have one link, you will have many links, and those links will be for different things, like one for my friend, one for myself, one for school and all. And if you want to delete the link for that particular friend, you click on delete and done. But the link for school will still be working, something like that. So okay, this particular functionality will be made too. Anything else? No content message. The problem is that this is the issue that I'm facing. I haven't added this functionality. That let's go to the content page first of all. Over here, content. Content page. I can go to my cards. Here I'm getting my all the filtered contents and all, and I'm just simply mapping through them. What if I don't have any content? What do I have to show in that case? Interesting. In that case, I have to show a message that no content found, or no content found, and I can give a button, and that will say add a new content now, whatever. So what I'll do over here, that just a sec. I'm rendering my contents over here, right? So what I'll say, that I have to render my contents, but if filtered contents dot length, if there are filtered contents, only then I have to do something, otherwise I have to do something, and inside that something I will be filtering. If a length exists, in that case I have to render the contents, render the contents like this. So what I'm saying, that if filtered contents dot length, if there is any length, only then you have to just render all the contents, otherwise I will be just rendering something else over here. What is that thing? First of all, a simple message h1, and that's gonna be no content found, and then a button that will say create content, as simple as that. This is all. Okay, and let's make it a div so that I can give it some design and all, and let's see how it looks like. Of course this will not be visible here because I have so many contents. If I go here, I have so many contents here. So what I can do, I can log out from here, I can log in or create another ID. Let's sign up with a new ID, example @gmail.com. Password is gonna be just password 123. अरे यार क्या कर दिया मैंने, sorry, PASSWORD. One more thing, when so many features are occurring to me. Whenever I have entered my password, I need to have a button over here, I button. If I click on that I button, I should be able to see my password as well. So one more to do. That's crazy, but okay, why not? I wanna just add everything that's coming to me. Add I option to the password input. This needs to be done, right? This is really important. Even if you are entering password, who knows you have entered right or wrong, so you can check it. So I will be doing it too. By the way, let's go here. I was creating a account, so password 123 and confirm password 123, signing up right now. And one more thing, whenever I'm signing up, I'm disabling the button, I have to disable all the inputs. Sorry, so many things. When doing something, when handling submit, disable all the inputs too. As simple as that. This is again a to do.